Bestie, have you ever checked your bank account right after payday and thought, wait, where did it all go? Like, you blink and poof, it's gone. It's giving financial mystery of the century, and honestly, we're all the main characters in it. You're working, maybe even doing a side hustle, but somehow, money just vanishes. You're tracking every expense, using budgeting apps, cutting lattes, and still stressed about bills. Like, we're out here doing everything right, but somehow it still feels wrong. They told us, go to college, get a job, save a little, you'll be fine. But reality hit harder than student loans. Rent's wild, groceries feel like designer items, and side hustles? They're not optional anymore, they're survival mode. They sold us the dream of financial freedom, but forgot to mention the rules were rigged. We've been out here playing checkers while the wealthy are out here playing chess. But not anymore, because today, we're learning how to play the real money game, Gen Z style. Hey besties, I'm Sophia, and welcome back to Sophia Cash, where we're helping you glow up financially. If you're ready to stop surviving and start thriving, hit that subscribe button and join the Rich Besties Club. Quick disclaimer, this is for education and inspiration, not financial advice. Always do your own research, babe. In this video, I'm giving you a real Gen Z money game plan, how to actually grow your money, build wealth, and stop feeling broke. Grab your iced coffee, open your notes app, and let's fix your money glow up right now. Okay, bestie, let's start from the foundation, your money mindset. It's basically the software that runs your financial life. If you think small, your bank account will too, period. Here's the thing. Minus 80% of financial success isn't about spreadsheets or fancy apps. It's psychology. It's what's happening in your head. You can know all the money hacks in the world, but if deep down you think you don't deserve to be rich, you'll block your own bag. Imagine this: spending money without guilt, not because you're careless, but because you've mastered your money. You know what's coming in, what's going out, and every dollar feels like a loyal soldier working for your goals. Like Henry Ford said, whether you think you can or you can't, you're right. So from now on, we're choosing to think rich. Because your thoughts shape your reality, bestie. So start thinking like money's already yours. Okay, bestie, let's talk budgeting, but don't roll your eyes. Budgeting isn't about cutting out all the fun. It's about creating freedom. It's your money map to make sure you're living your dream life without the broke stress. Here's the new money rule for rich besties: to 50% needs, 25% wants, 15% investing, and 10% pure fun or goals. Because what's the point of earning if you can't enjoy a little sparkle along the way? Your budget should feel like a vibe, not a prison. Make space for brunch dates, travel dreams, and those self-care nails. You're building a life that feels rich, not just looks rich. Remember what Warren Buffett said? Don't save what's left after spending. Spend what's left after saving. It's not about being cheap, it's about being smart, so your money works harder than you do. Passive income isn't some fairy tale, bestie. It's your freedom ticket. It's what lets you make money while you're out living your best life, not stressing about bills. Imagine your cash working hard while you're at brunch or traveling the world. That's real financial glow-up energy. Here's the deal: even $100 a month can grow into more than $50,000 in 20 years. That's not luck. That's compound interest. Your money-making baby money. The earlier you start, the less you have to stress later. Time really is your rich bestie. Picture this: you're waking up slow, stretching, sunlight spilling into your room, and your investments are literally earning while you're still in bed. That's the kind of energy that makes Mondays feel like Saturdays. Albert Einstein once called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, and honestly, he wasn't wrong. Once you understand it, you'll stop chasing fast money and start building smart money. That's when your bank account starts working for you. Okay, bestie, real talk. Your 9 to 5. It's your safety net, but that side hustle, that's your freedom plan. Even an extra $500 a month can stack up to $6,000 a year. That's a vacation fund, debt payoff, or your first investment move. Here's the thing, you don't need to chase every trend on TikTok to make it work. Use what you already have, your skills, your story, your vibe. Steve Jobs once said, "The only way to do great work is to love what you do." So, love your hustle, girl. That's your power move. Your glow up isn't about luck, it's about action. Every late night grind, every new skill learned, it's building your version of freedom. So keep shining, keep building, and remember, rich besties don't wait, they create. Let's be real, bestie. Debt isn't the enemy. What really hurts us is not knowing how to handle it. When you understand your debt, you stop feeling trapped and start taking back control. Most Gen Z are carrying around $20,000 or more in student debt, and yeah, that's heavy. But the key isn't paying it off super fast, it's paying smart. When you strategize, every payment becomes power, not punishment. Imagine this, your paycheck finally goes to you, not your credit cards. You start breathing easier, saving more, and feeling like the main character in your money story. That's what real freedom feels like. Like Will Rogers said, too many people spend money they haven't earned to buy things they don't want. So from now on, you're flipping that script, bestie. You're choosing wisdom over impulse and building your rich girl era, one smart move at a time. Investing isn't just for old rich guys anymore. It's for smart Gen Z queens like you who want freedom, choices, and confidence. You don't have to know everything to start. You just have to start small and stay consistent. The earlier you begin, the more power your money has to grow for you. Let's make it real. If you invest just $200 a month starting at 22, by 40, you could have 6 figures sitting pretty in your account. That's not magic, that's math, powered by compound interest. Your money grows while you sleep, chill, or live your best life. Imagine this. You're at a concert, vibing with your besties, and your money's out there working for you. Investing means your cash doesn't sleep. It levels up even when you're having fun. That's how queens build wealth without burnout. Like Oprah said, the biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. And that starts when you take charge of your money, invest, believe, and let it grow. You deserve to live like a queen. Financial freedom isn't about stacking millions, it's about having real choices. It's waking up and deciding what you want to do, not what your boss or bills tell you to. Freedom means control over your time, your energy, and your future. Here's the truth, bestie. Freedom starts when your passive income covers your bills. That's when your money starts working harder than you. Imagine your investments growing while you're at brunch, traveling, or even chilling with your friends. Picture this, working because you want to, not because you have to. That's the dream, designing your life around joy, not survival. Whether that's starting a passion project, traveling the world, or spending more time with the people you love. Like Tony Robbins said, it's not about the money, it's about the lifestyle you can live. Financial freedom is the adventure of creating a life that feels rich, not just looks rich. Your freedom story starts the moment you decide to design it. So besties, here's the rich Gen Z game plan. Fix your mindset. Budget smart, build income streams, invest early, and dream bigger. If this video gave you that financial glow-up energy, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your bestie who needs to hear this. Tell me in the comments, what's your next money move? Let's talk and grow together. This is Sophia from Sophia Cash, helping you glow up financially. Remember, bestie, your money story isn't over. It's just starting to get good. See you in the next one.